Check out a book using the Ohio Digital Library, the next step is how to read it. One of those ways is to read it in the web browser you are using to view the Ohio Digital Library website. To do that, you are going to get to the book you have checked out. If you just checked it out, you will have a pop-up right there in front of you with options for how to read it. If you checked it out and now are going back to it, you are going to want to go to your account, my account, and then click on loans. That will take you to all of the books that you can have checked out currently. It'll tell you how long until that book expires, and then you have 3 options for how to read it. The first is to read with a Kindle. If you have a Kindle, you can do it that way, super easy, and there will be another video on accessing it that way. You can read it in your browser, or you can download it as an EPUB book. If you have Adobe on your computer, you can use the EPUB book. If you do not have Adobe, this is not going to work for you, and you're going to just want to read it in the browser that you have. To read it in your browser, you're going to click the black Read Now in Browser button, and that will take you to a digital copy of that book. To navigate this digital copy of the book, you're going to click the right side of your screen to turn to the next page. If you need to go back a page, you're going to click the left side of your screen. You can bookmark a page by clicking in the top right, and then I'll drop down this little bookmark, and to get rid of it, you're going to click in that same spot. You can also, if you click at the bottom towards the middle of your screen, will pop up some setting options for you. You can scroll through and navigate your book using this scroll bar to jump to different places. The darker lines are going to be chapters, most likely. For most books will be chapter marks that you can hop to. At the top, you have a few options. You can access the pages you have bookmarked by clicking here. You can search for keywords within the book. The A will give you options for your appearance. You can scale the text up or down to make the words smaller or bigger depending on your preference. You can change the background lighting to make it a little bit softer or black. You can change the font that you are looking at for something that is more comfortable for you while reading your ebook. If you close your browser out and you need to get back to this book, it will save your spot for you. If we close it out and then you go back to that same place to access it, to my account and then loans, you click the Read Now in Browser spot again. It will open back up to the same spot you left it at, so it'll hold your place for you, and then you can continue reading on from there. If you need any help at any time with accessing your ebooks that you have checked out through the Ohio Digital Library, please give us a call and we would love to help you figure out and troubleshoot any problems you may be having.